This is a 2007 Dodge Ram Mega Cab Laramie 6.7 liter diesel 4x4 with 98,000 miles. Very rare to find one of these with under 100,000 miles and in this condition. Super, super clean, no rust. Not a door ding on this thing. Amazingly clean. Brand new tires, brand new brakes, tow package, bed cover, bed liner, no rust, running boards. Truck is running so you can hear it. Needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Gorgeous truck. It is a tank. Moonroof, leather seats, power seats, heated seats. Aftermarket Alpine radio with navigation, heated seats, adjustable pedals. There's the Carfax report, no accidents. Leather's in amazing condition. Power sliding window works just fine. $98,000 miles. Four-wheel drive. You're not going to find a cleaner one with this miles for the price. Just insane crazy. Super clean. 2007 Dodge Ram Mega Cab 4x4 6.7 liter diesel. Laramie, every possible option, needs nothing. Gorgeous truck.